Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not verifying age. Start by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and retry verification immediately. Next, double-check your birth date entry for correct format and avoid autofill errors. If that fails, disable parental controls or family restrictions temporarily and use a different device or network to isolate the issue and complete verification. In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not verifying age. Use a private window or a different browser to rule out extensions interfering with verification, and ensure the browser is fully updated. Clear site data for Roblox, then sign out and sign back in before attempting verification again. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily because region changes can trigger verification failures and block needed services. In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not verifying age. Sign out, reboot the device, then sign back in and attempt verification to refresh account tokens. Try a different device or mobile data connection to determine if the issue is local to one device or network. Also check any parental controls, router filters, or security apps that might block verification requests and adjust settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.